Welcome to Plan Design. Today we will see this wonderful floor plan G+1. So we will see one by one how we can arrange our floor plan in this way. It's very much possible way. So this is first floor plan and this is ground floor plan. We will see this one by one. So first floor plan, we have number of 4 bedroom this side and number of 4 bedroom this side. And this is for two brothers. This is very wonderful floor plan. We will see one by one. So this is our ground floor. We will see this ground floor and we will start from here. So this is our entrance, both side entrance, and this is our entrance. We are getting here this majlis area 750 by 480 centimeter, and this side window we have placed, and this side entrance, this is wide open slab cutout for duct purpose, for OTS purpose. Then we are entering here, we are getting family room, wonderful, 525 by 480. And this side re-entrance, this here office, 525 by 480. And this wonderful stair for going first floor. And this side our dining and this attached bathroom. This area we have service room and here general room. And here this laundry. And this is again wide lobby with open duct. This ladies hall and this side entrance and this dining, this wonderful kitchen. Back side also entrance. So this is ground floor plan. This complete final, and this window we have given in three divisions for a wonderful design. So everywhere you can see this window with projection, and you will see first floor. First floor we are reaching from this stair to first floor. So this is our first floor. We are reaching here, and this is our passage. Then number of first bedroom here 460 by 420. This attached bathroom 240 by 182. This is dress, and then again this is our passage. This is another entrance for this bedroom. This bedroom we have wonderful very wide size 570 by 480. This bathroom, attached bathroom. This bedroom we have given wonderful window two side, this side and this side also. Then again this side we are entering. This is study 515 by 525 centimeter. This is balcony for this study access. This family room, this family living 515 by 525. Again this balcony with this access. And this side our master bedroom. This is open area, full open through roof floor. This master bedroom again 570 by 480. And this is our passage. This bedroom 460 by 420. This attached bathroom 230 by 230. This attached bathroom for this master bedroom and this attached bathroom for this master bedroom. And again we are getting here same 510 by 420 and again this 510 by 420. This both side we are getting our bathroom area. So we will see this window area. So you can see this 3 division window for elevation purpose, and exhaust we have given for this bathroom, and this side exhaust, this balcony we are getting from this side and this side for sunlight. You can see this small arch, this column, you can see this. Why? This is for design purpose, that's why I have placed here, and here also same for design purpose. So this floor containing number of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bedroom, and if you see this completely divided into 2 parts, so you can make this 2 division, and you can see this simply how I have designed in very much possible way. So this is our ground floor. So if you see ground floor backside two-way entrance, here also and here also. So this our everywhere exhaust, this service room, this window for general maid room, because for kitchen purpose you can keep here store, and here general room, this laundry area, and this is our wonderful stair, column everything arranged in very much proper way. If you see here again we have wonderful arch because we are getting here wonderful design. So that's the reason placed here arch and this circular column for interior design purpose. We will see column layout. This column, and here column we have, here also, and this column. And this side, column side to 20 by 40. This side and somehow 20 by 60 also. This side column, this side, and this side. Then completely mirror this side. If you see this projection we have given, this projection area, this is projection area for the purpose to make elevation wonderful design. So like this is ground floor plan and this first floor plan. Ground floor plan we have no bedroom, only service area, only kitchen, hall, dining, lobby, family living, office, and first floor number of 6 bedroom, study room, and your family room with 2 balcony, and this front side, this wonderful window with arch. So I hope you got this plan helpful. If you have any doubt anywhere, ask in comment section. I must reply. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you very much.